What is the difference between the years of the lamps and the years of the trees? Have you ever wondered about the early history of Middle-earth and how it all began? The lore of Arda is rich and fascinating, especially when we look at the years of the lamps and the years of the trees. These two periods are essential in understanding the creation of Middle-earth. The years of the lamps were the very first era after the Ainur entered the world. During this time, the Valar, powerful beings created by Eru Ilúvatar, shaped the land. They built two great lamps, Illuin and Ormel, which lit up Middle-earth. These lamps stood in Almarin, the initial home of the Valar. However, this peaceful time did not last long. Melkor, a powerful Valar, destroyed the lamps. This led the Valar to flee to the western continent of Aman, marking the end of the years of the lamps. The destruction of the lamps also changed the geography of Middle-earth, resulting in the formation of multiple continents. After the lamps were destroyed, the Valar created a new kingdom in Valinor, located in Aman. It was here that Yavanna, the Vala of nature, created the two trees, Tolperion and Laurelin. These trees became the main source of light in Valinor, while Middle-earth fell into darkness. The years of the trees were divided into two parts, the days of bliss and the noontide of the blessed realm. During this time, the Valar created many beings, including the eagles and ents, although they were not yet active in Middle-earth. The Elves awoke in this period, marking the beginning of the first age of the children of Ilúvatar. Eventually, the Valar and Maiar defeated Melkor in the War of the Powers, bringing him captive to Valinor. Now let's look at the key differences between these two periods. First, the location and light source are distinct. The years of the lamps featured the two lamps in Middle-earth, while the years of the trees had the two trees in Valinor. During the years of the trees, Middle-earth was dark, while Valinor was bright and full of light. Next, the events and beings present in each period varied. The years of the lamps focused on the initial shaping of Middle-earth and the destruction caused by Melkor. In contrast, the years of the trees were marked by the awakening of the elves and the creation of other beings, although they were not yet active in Middle-earth. Lastly, the duration and impact of these periods differ significantly. The years of the lamps were much shorter than the years of the trees. The destruction of the lamps led to major changes in Middle-earth's geography. Meanwhile, the years of the trees were a time of relative peace in Valinor, although Middle-earth remained in darkness. Understanding these two periods helps us appreciate the early struggles and transformations in Middle-earth, setting the stage for the epic tales that follow.